I am at Vivanta by Taj in Navi Mumbai. This is a new property. It just opened in March this year, and the IPL teams stayed here when they were playing the IPL. So let's have a quick room tour of this hotel. Welcome to Vivanta by Taj in Turbhe. So that was the door, and this is the first thing which you see when you enter. There's a safe over here, which is not locked right now. We have the laundry, chart rate, and do not disturb signs. A lot of that. Besides that, you have the iron over here and the iron board and few hangers for your clothes. The next thing is this beautiful bathroom which you have. So you have this wonderful mirror over here. This is a close-up mirror. Oh fuck, that's so close. That's very close. The glasses, body lotion, towels, and cotton. Yep, we have some cotton. Beautiful plant. It's an original plant. It's not a fake plant. Few tissues over here, and then here we have the toiletries. You have paste, toothbrush, comb, blah 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 blah, disposal bag, things. The phone, which is very handy. We have the commode over here, the shower cubicle, which you can see from here, right? So that's about the bathroom. Moving on. Here we have the electric kettle with 2 bottles of water, and I think, yep, we have the mini fridge over here. In the drawer you have the cups and all the tea and sugar and all the blah blah things. Alright. This is an open. And the LG, this seems like a 42 inch screen. Moving on, we have the menu card. This is basically a work desk which has few ports, a USB cord, a notepad with a pencil, and the phone, lamp, and abstract painting. Moving on, there's a waste bin over there, and yeah, the beautiful window. This is a multi-layered curtain. This is thick curtain and then it's a light curtain, and you have a sofa over here, a hanging light. Here you again have switches and a port, and here you have the bed, which is actually very soft. Moving on to this side, we again have this hanging light and another phone, few switches, a socket and a USB bar, TV remote with instructions, again a notepad with pencil, half-liter water bottle, and here you have the thermostat. So that's it about the room. It's a wide room with a work desk and everything. The cost of this room is 7,840 rupees, including taxes, but it doesn't include breakfast, just for the room. It's called the superior room, and this is a basic over here. So if you have some work in Turbhe or the Mahape or the whole of Navi Mumbai, this is a good hotel, good mix of work and leisure, and the views are good. It's a tall building, so All right, so that's it for the video. I need to check out. It's already 12. So yeah, 12 is the checkout time. So yeah, see you in another video. Bye.